He had a thing, my dad. A thing about the stars and all that. Parallel universes and parallel lives. He always said that if this world weren't working for you, then just close your eyes and think of a world that is. Because chances are, things are fine for you somewhere else. In another world. He said in another life he would have been a star doctor. For a job. They have them. They do, Ava. Doctor for the stars. But not in this world. Not in this life, he said. And I tell myself he's magic. I tell myself he's gone to another world like he always talked about. That's what he done. Drugs made him behave that way. But we can't help it, Ava, the things we do. People. We do what we do. Can't escape from what we are. Even when we hate ourselves for it. Did you get the letters?
Got them.
I didn't know.
Can't read much as it goes.
I didn't know. Could you give me a number? I could text you.
Do you know what Ava means? Bird. That's what you are. You're a little bird.
When I was 5...
In and flying from one thing to another.
Did I tell you this?
Hope no one ever caged you in, Ava. You needs to be free.
Did I tell you when I was 5, Ava?
You're like me.
Close your eyes. When I was 5... When I was 5... My dad taught me to swim. in the Irish Sea. If you can swim in the Irish Sea, you can swim anywhere. Did you know that?
I haven't got a dad.
And when I was 6, he took me down to the sea, the Irish Sea. Taught me how to hold my breath underwater. I could hold my breath underwater for 93 seconds. That's 1 minute and 33 seconds that is, and that's above average.
I had my granddad. He had this pipe. This dummy, you'd call it. It was never out of his mouth.
He was saying I should be grateful. Grateful for 2 healthy lungs. Grateful I could breathe. He was teaching me because my mum died. He's good like that, my dad.
I think I'd have been alright if he didn't die. My granddad.
My nana said my mum died having me. She didn't though. My nana lied. She lied all the time. She died of asthma. My dad told me. Coughed herself to death.
Can't support me where I am. That's what Paul said. Fucking government, that's what Paul said. I've got choices to make. Where do you live? Where do you live now?
I cried when you went. Did you know that? I cried. Looking at you with your things in a bag.
Bin bag.
It was hard for me. I really tried with you. I knew you'd be okay.
He didn't know I was okay. Didn't give a shit so long as you were okay.
I was okay. After what you did.
After what I did? Is that what you think? Is that what you still think?
Calm down.
After what he did?
People are looking.
Sit there fucking lying to me. Just give me your fucking number or don't. Just give me your fucking address or don't. Don't fucking lie.
There was a bird. In a cage. Did I tell you about the bird in the cage, Ava?
In your nana's lodgings.
It was Mrs. Reagan's bird. And sometimes she'd let it fly around the room. Look at his face, she'd say. You watch him, you watch his face. Then she'd open the cage door. There's sheer joy on that bird's face, she'd say.
It was the saddest that bird ever looked.
Opening the cage door, showing him how wonderful it is to fly. But then only giving him a 10-foot square room to do it in. Sometimes wonder about my nana. I reckon she might be dead. She must be dead. Hope she's dead. You laughing at my dead nana, you?
I am, yeah.
opened the window. I opened the window and the bird flew away. If it gets too much, Ava. If it all gets too much, we'll fly. Two little dicky birds sitting on a wall. Fly away, will we?
Who's that? Who is that?
Which is why I'm here. I had a baby, Ava.
I don't get it.
I was pregnant when you left.
I have a sister. How old is she? When I left, you said. So is she 3 or 2? Is she 2? She'll want me home. So I can, to be a sister.
Don't want you fucking her up.
Me?
It's you. You messing with her head. I have to think of her.
I have to protect her from you, from him.
He's gone.
What?
You heard. There was a look. There wasn't anything. Just a small second. That's why I forgot about it. And he's not. I'm not saying that I think he is what you said. Because I can't, Ava, I can't think that. I love her. More than anything in the world. I can't risk it. Not with her.
Did the right thing by her.
Her name's Sasha. It's Russian.
Tash is a Russian name.
The one you share a room with?
She killed herself.
Right.
Tash is dead. She died 3 months ago. She killed herself. She was 13. It was in the papers.
On my 7th birthday, he took me here.
I didn't know.
Right here, Ava.
She flew.
To the edge of the world, and he taught me. And he said, forget about them discos and clubs and parties. He said, this is where you dance, Ava. Right here at the edge of the world, with the wind in your hair and the salt water on your skin. You'll feel the pound of the earth, he said, and there ain't a beat like it. There are other worlds, Ava. Other places in this. Teach you to fly.
She don't want me home, Tash. I could see it in her.
I want you.
Will I be homeless?
No.
Is that what happens?
It happens.
Is that what happens to us?
It happens. But not to you. I won't let it. Make a wish. Birthday wish.
God,
I wish
I wish
Close your eyes.
We do what we do. We can't escape from what we are, even when we hate ourselves for it.